How to make an account at Rumbler. So here in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your account here on Rumble. So in the Rumble, how to make your account here, all we need to do is open up your Rumble. So here I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide. Then hope you guys learn and know how to do this. So all we need to do is press on create account. After pressing on create account right there, it will lead us to the other site. So I'll just pause this part. There you go, as you can see right now, it is performing security verification, verifying. Now it's leading us to another site. Now we're gonna need to enter our email and our birth date. So I'll see you guys later after I enter this. And now we are done. Now we're gonna enter username. We're gonna enter Poland, Journa. Then our gender will be male. Country, Philippines. Oops, is it on Philippines? Nope. Let's see. Wait. Philippines. There you go, Philippines. There you go. Now we just have to wait. Now we're gonna make our password. So here I'll be making my password, and I'll see you guys later. I'm just gonna put in my password. So I'm making a password. So you just need to put the password at least 8 characters, 1 lowercase, 1 uppercase, and at least 1 number, and at least 1 special character. So those are the requirements you need to do. So I'll see you guys later. And as you can see right now, I've typed in the password. All we need to do is click on next. Now we're gonna the code will be sent to us by email. So I'm just gonna go to my email. See you guys later. And then as you can see right now, you will receive this email. All you need to do is copy this, copy, and paste it at your Rumble. Here at the Rumble, we'll need to paste and then click on next. Then there you go. As you can see, it's verifying your email address. Now we just have to wait, and as you can see right now, there you go, and there you go. Now we have our Rumble account. There you go. There, welcome to Rumble. Interest. There you go. Yeah, there you go, guys. I hope you guys like the video. Hope you enjoyed. If you have any more questions, you can type it down in the comment section below, guys. I'll be happy to answer you as soon as possible. And then before I go, guys, a quick tip for you guys. You can also make your Rumble account on a website, and it's also the same procedure as this one's right here. So there you go, guys. I hope you guys like the video, and chat anything, comment anything, and we'll be happy to answer as soon as possible. And thank you.